Hi, welcome to M.A.D for Mondays, and I'm here with Lisa in Singapore, who's doing amazing things with spaces. Can you let us know how you're making a difference?
Hi, good morning everybody. My name is Lisa Ng and I'm based in Singapore. We're looking at how to have better employee experience, saving, especially in Asia, real estate cost is really high. So saving the dollars in real estate optimization, and it's all about attracting and retention of talent, isn't it?
Yes. And so how are you making that difference?
Well, we are looking at how do we optimize the space by meeting in places, not spaces, and by changing the way we meet. So, for example, you don't really have to be in a workstation or in an office to meet. You actually could meet in the open collaboration areas that we have created. We can meet in the little coffee shops within the office, etc. Yeah.
Great. So we can turn offices that are big, that are being wasted, into great spaces for everyone to be able to use. Fantastic. So make a difference to your week and start thinking about where your spaces are
And where you could meet in different places.
and where you can meet in different places. Fantastic. Thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you.
Speak
Thank you for having
soon.
me.
Happy Monday. Bye.